Hello, and I hope you are doing well today. We did a model now. We make a package. We make a package for you, and the name is Fire. The Fire modeling, simulation, analysis, everything. If you click on this title or blue sign here, you will have an introduction of the fire. You know, the fire is really important in safety into a structure, a steel, concrete, uh, and wood structure. And here in this package, we have everything about the fire. For any materials like concrete, like steel, like wood. Besides that, we have that for any structure like slabs, beams, bolts, reinforced concrete, a steel beam, I don't know, 3D reinforcement, everything in Abaqus. And Abaqus can calculate the fire terms uh, exactly, and that's a point that we use Abaqus to do the fire simulation. In the fire analysis, we have two methods in Abaqus. The first method and the Abaqus recommendation is sequential method. First, we did heat transfer analysis, then we use the nodal temperature in the structural analysis. In the second, we use thermal structure coupling and solving the heat and stress equation at the same time, and that means direct model. The name is direct model. And we have both sequential and direct model in Abaqus. The another point is the material data or material modeling for any material in the in the fire simulation. In the fire simulation, it is important to use all heat transfer data like specific heat, uh, uh, expansion, conduction, anything, and elasticity, plasticity dependent on temperature or failure, anything. And the fire load, Abaqus consider all types of fire load like conduction, convection, and radiation, and we consider all of them. And you can see here the application of the fire, for instance, fire in structural engineering, in aerospace, automotive, industrial safety, and uh, advantages of the simulation in Abaqus you can read. And at the end here, you will have the titles of the advanced models of the fire in Abaqus. If you check any of these titles, you will find a separate tutorial in the website. But here we gather all of them as a package for you. These are the titles of the uh, fire package you can read here. It contains 12 separate tutorial. In each tutorial we have CAINP paper, reference for material, codes, step-by-step English video, and the price of this fire package with maximum discount is 96 euros. It includes our new release on the website also. Some of the tutorials are our new release in the around 6 past months, and you can provide that for 96 euros. We use PayPal account, Visa, MasterCard, or some other ways for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.